Disha Caroline, once again back at Top Row Talks in our For the Artist, by the Artist version. So music is something which many people can't live without. Some people associate music with pain. Some associate music with joy. Some associate music with varied set of emotions. So I associate music with mostly joy, and when I want to have fun, I really do that. So here, once again, back to what I was talking about. Music is something which nobody can live without. And without music, there's somebody who is very much important when it comes to music. Yes, it is the artist who is the backbone of music. So let's put our hands and welcome Chavi Kalra, who is a singer, a creative artist, an influencer, and a well-known personality of Chennai. Hello, Chavi.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
So, Chavi, could you please turn on your video?
Hi.
Hi.
Can you
And
hear
get to
me?
look. Yes. Hi, Chavi. Oh my God. The ever gorgeous Chavi Kalra, who's known for her gorgeous mane. Hi, Chavi.
Hi, how are you? Good evening.
I'm doing awesome. How are you doing, Chavi?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
Yes. So you look ever pretty as usual, and we love all your albums, your songs, and we are very much motivated by what you do, and you're such an inspiration, Chavi.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So Chavi, I have the very first question for you. What is music
Alright.
according to you?
For me, if I say everything connects to meditation, because music gives me peace. So otherwise, on the other side, I don't know how many people know I'm an artist, like I do painting, oil painting. So since my childhood, when I used to do paintings, I always used to be having music besides me. So music is something I cannot live without.
Okay, so it's like air for you. You cannot stay
Am I
without,
am I
like people
audible?
cannot stay without oxygen.
Because at home itself, I keep humming, I keep singing, so I cannot live without it. It gives me happiness, cheerfulness.
Cheerfulness, happiness, really, really fantastic, Chavi. So could you please sing us one song which you like the most?
Which I like the most. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, here I'm experimenting something. I don't
Okay.
know how good I get it. Let's try because I just wanted to do this today
Okay.
for the first time. So let it
Okay.
be a surprise. And
Surprise. Okay. We love
yeah,
surprises.
and apologies if I'm not up to it because I'm trying for the first time. So let's
Okay. Yes, please.
so this is just a small game. For the first time, I have tried
Fantastic,
actually some songs.
fantastic, really fantastic. Oh my God, you were so. I love the way you were literally feeling the song and the lyrics. I'm not sure. It was really beautiful the way you sang, Chavi. Seriously, I really loved it.
Thank you so much.
Yes, that was a golden surprise, I would say.
Yeah, because I don't know how much justice I have done with the song, but yeah, I wanted to try this.
No, no, the Tamil audience will really be great. They would really wanted to hear you sing like that, and they really would love you hearing that song. That too, I personally love that song Munbe Va and Anbe Va. So that is something which is a good surprise for me.
Beautiful song, actually.
Yes, yes, Chavi. So how have you been during this lockdown, and how has it been going so far for you? And have you started stepping outside?
Yeah, I think as of now, only thrice I have been out, but not much because all my friends and everybody's too scared at home, right? Because a lot of
Ah,
infection and people are scared of getting virus. But otherwise,
yes.
I'm all cool. I'm okay in any kind of situation because even
Okay.
lockdown time, I was fine, perfectly fine as I was busy with my activities, whether it's piano or singing or writing. So I'm quite
Okay.
happy.
So
I'm
you
one
were
person who
occupied.
can be myself. I never get bored of myself. So I keep myself occupied with something or the other.
Okay, fantastic, Chantas. So did you get a chance to write some music of your own, or did you get to do something of that sort?
Actually, I have written a song which still
Okay.
going on. So very
Hmm.
soon launching that, but still it's in making. So let's see.
Hmm.
I've written the lyrics, so
Okay.
I'm just keeping my fingers crossed
Okay.
and hoping it will come out very fast.
Okay. So can you sing us one recent album which you recently launched, Chavi?
Recently I launched was this was a recent one.
Or whichever you're comfortable, you can sing us one.
Okay, let's go with a very evergreen song, which I always
Okay.
like, and I'm sure all the audience they will also like this song because this is
Yes.
something evergreen and it's got beautiful lyrics. So let's
Okay.
start. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती ये नदियाँ ये रहना और तुम बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती ये नदियाँ ये रहना और तुम हम तुम कितने पास कितने दूर सितारे सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं सारे हम तुम कितने पास कितने दूर सितारे सच पूछो तो मन को झूठे लगते हैं सारे मगर सच्चे लगते हैं ये धरती ये नदियाँ ये रहना और तुम बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती ये नदियाँ ये रहना और तुम
Lovely, lovely, Chavi. Actually, I love that song. I used to watch that series. So I used to watch that series, and this song is something which always brings back all the pleasant memories. And coming back from
Exactly.
school, I used to see my parents, my mom, and my sister used to watch the song, and I'll the series, and I'll be like, oh, okay.
And actually,
Bring,
the song actually belongs from a movie, which was a black and white movie.
okay,
So
okay,
after that,
okay.
it came to series. So it's a
Ah,
beautiful. Yeah.
Yes, beautiful song. Really, you were able, you literally took me back to that golden days and that melody. It was really very sensual, I would say. That is the beauty about this song, and you really brought about that emotion because, as you told me, music is something which you cannot live without music. It's like air to you, and that you really showed it through that song.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Javik. So I wanted to ask you this. So, what is the secret behind your beautiful long hair? I'm wearing a jowli. I'm not wearing this. Is not my hair though. I want to know the secret behind your beautiful long hair.
You know, you won't believe when I was in my childhood, I used to have boy cuts. There was a time.
Oh,
And I always wanted to have long hair. So my mom used to say, when you can manage your hair, that time only you go for your long hair.
okay.
So when I came to the college, then I started having my long hair, started growing. So I've done all kind of hairstyling, like people they want to try different hairstyles for their hair. So I've done
Okay.
all of hairstyling, and
Everything.
then I started growing my hair. But yes, definitely a lot of greens, healthy
Hmm.
diet.
Okay.
That is very important.
And and your music is your stress buster. So something that is really important for people to stay stress free so that your hair grows really long.
That's true. That's very true. Very important factor actually.
Yes,
I
yes,
say.
exactly. So now I have a request for you to sing a song for all the lovebirds out there. Something for all the romantic people out there who really want to enjoy a nice romantic number. You can sing some romantic song with your beautiful voice.
Romantic song.
Yeah.
ना जाने कैसा एहसास है बुझती नहीं है क्या प्यास है प्यार का I think I love them. Okay, I'll start again. ना जाने कैसा एहसास है बुझती नहीं है क्या प्यास है प्यार का कैसा नशा मुझ पे सनम आने लगा तन्हाई में खाब संजोता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए अब तो मेरा दिल जाने न होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है
कुछ होता है. You brought me the कुछ होता है memories.
Okay, okay, that's a
I'm
good one.
I'm I'm kind of bad with Hindi, so I really when I say when my friends they kind of tease me, I'll be like, oh, कुछ होता है.
Right.
Yeah, so really lovely song. I was enjoying your song seriously, Chavi. It was really wonderful, and that I'm pretty sure a lot of loudbirds out there would be like tuning in and they're like, wow, look at the voice, and let's just go to our own sweet world.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think all these songs are always, anytime you want to humming, I mean, you keep singing these songs. You
Okay.
love
Yeah, these are all evergreen songs, right? Everybody
very.
cherishes it. People of every age, they love it, and they tend to. They again takes everybody to their beautiful memories, beautiful memory lane. Everybody tends to fall in love with songs like this, and again, their emotions tends to come to their same situation, and it keeps them all calm and pleasing, right?
Yeah, Like when you're in a cheerful mood, you're singing all love songs and all. When you're in a sad mood, you're singing all sad songs.
Yes, yes, yes. That happens in college days. These guys used to do that. Oh, okay, now there's a breakup. Let's just listen to some sad songs, and people will be like tuning into their iPod, and everybody will be having all sad songs in their in their playlist. When they are all in love, they'll have only love songs.
True, true, very true.
Yeah. Really, really good, Chavi. So I have one more question for you. So how do you manage your social life and your career? How do you manage both of it? Chavi? It's stuck. Uh, Chavi dropped off. Okay. So there's a network error and Chavi has dropped out. So in the meantime, we are in a very fun conversation with Chavi Kalra, and she's singing beautiful songs to us, and I'm sure all of you would be enjoying whatever she's singing. And if you have any requests, you can still tune in and give your request so that people will still get your own song sung by Chavi Kalra. And she is a singer and she's an influencer. She is a creative artist. So Chavi is with us here, and we've been having fun conversations so far. She has sung two beautiful songs, and which has brought ever beautiful memories, evergreen memories for all of us. So beautiful memories by Chavi. And for those of them who have any requests, you can put your request in Chavi, and Chavi will be answering it. So you can also talk to me in the meantime. So if you have anything to me, you can also tell me. And if you have any questions for me also, you can still post it. So I'm Disha Caroline, and I'm the host for Top Pro Talks. You should be seeing me in all of Top Pro Talks page. And I've been hosting this show for about 2 months now. So Chavi is back with us. Hi, Chavi. I guess there was a network drop right there. Yes, Chavi, we can see you here. No problem at all. I guess you're on mute. You can unmute right now.
Hi, I'm back. Sorry.
It tends to happen. Let's just ignore the network error. So, yes. So, Chavi, I was talking to you about how do you manage your social life and your professional life? Can you hear me, Chavi? Chavi? Yes, can you hear me? Oh, no, I'm not able to hear you now. So Chavi is having some technical error. So in the meantime, if you guys have any requests for Chavi, you can just put it in the comments and Chavi will be singing that song for you. Right. Hi, Chavi. Welcome back.
Hi. Last, just put the volume.
Yes. Chavi.
Yes.
So my previous question to you was, how do you manage your professional life and your social life? How do you balance it both? You being an influencer, you being a socialite, plus you also have your own profession to handle. So how do you manage both? And you do it flawlessly. We would like to know more about that.
I think for me, it's not an effort at all, because when you love to do something, you always find the ways to balance things. So for me, when I'm at home, I'm enjoying with my family. When I'm out for the events and all, I manage that as well. And side by side, I manage my activities as well. So for me, there's nothing like is difficult. That's what I say. When you want, you have a willing to do something, you always find time for yourself.
Okay, wow. So yeah, so when you love something, you tend to balance your time equally so that there's equal time for your
Yes.
social life as well as your professional life. And Chavi, there's a request for you to sing a song from DDLT. Could you please, DDLJ?
Okay. What song is it?
Any song you can sing from that movie. So we have that request. So could you please pick one song which you like the most and you can sing that song for us? Yes. Wow, seriously. Oh my
Thank
God.
you.
I was literally enjoying that song. That was truly beautiful. And I really loved it. And I'm sure all the audience and the person who requested for it would love listening to that song to you, and they would be really grateful, and they would be really thanking you and really admiring the way you sang, because it was not just the music, it was really, I feel like I really loved watching you sing too, because that is something like the way you feel it. You literally got yourself immersed in the music, and you were just having your own way of singing it and enjoying it. So that's the thing which makes people listen to music and enjoy it much more. That's the thing about music, right?
Yes, that's true.
So I have so anything. So now I have some fun questions. So what is your favorite hangout place in Chennai?
Okay. My favorite hangout place. I normally like ECR when like beachside. We
Okay,
go to some
okay.
resort. So those places I love, like Fisherman's Cove
Hmm.
or
Okay,
Intercontinental. All these places are amazing. We love to
you
go
love the
there.
most. Okay, so so we can so when the lockdown is over, we can spot you there in Intercontinental if you just walk by for a
Yes, yes,
weekend.
definitely. You are going to see me very soon. Actually, last
Okay,
week itself we were planning, so but somehow we
okay.
couldn't. But yes,
Yes. Okay. So with them, it's the COVID. It's kind of like people are stepping out.
right.
So it's kind of scary also sometimes. Sometimes you really can't stay indoors also. You really want to step outside also. Right.
That is it. I think very soon things will be fine and everybody will be out. I think most of the people are stepping out now, just taking
Yes.
all their
Yes.
precautions. So I think that's the right
Yes.
way.
Yes. What is the secret of looking sexy? So what is your secret behind looking sexy? And
I
elegant
don't
as
know.
well. That is the thing. It's not just sexiness, it's elegantly sexy. So that is something which we really need to ask you.
I actually don't know because this is for the first time I'm hearing from you. But
No, probably people are complimenting in your social media. You're not seeing that.
not actually. But yeah, I think I feel that if you have, I mean, regular routine of particular things, like I follow my routine with, sometimes I do a little bit of yoga, some exercise, but I'm not a
Okay.
hardcore person who's into
Fitness freak,
exercising and
not a
all that.
fitness
No, no,
freak.
no, no, I'm not at all. One day I'll do, the second day I'll do little lighter, and then I'll
No.
think, okay, some cash or somewhere in my body, so I won't do it. But yeah, definitely, I regularly do Surya Namaskar. That is something I love to do.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
is always there. So I try to
Okay.
do 11 times or 21 times. That's how I
Mhm.
start my day. And
Okay.
I'm a
Okay. So
coffee
that's a
lover,
good practice.
so
Huh.
yes.
So coffee tends. So that is the secret of you being young and your skin also is glowing.
No, I think maybe it energized me so much. So I'm energized for a whole day. And then I'm
Mhm.
active. So I think that's how it works. But yes,
Okay.
healthy diet is very important. I
Healthy
have to say
diet.
that.
Yes,
A
that
lot of
because what you
water,
eat
healthy
is
diet.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
It
Yes.
reflects in your personality, whatever you eat, right? So that's how
Yes.
it is.
Exactly. So, Chavi, I have a set of questions for you. So, before we go for the interesting question, so when I was speaking about sexy, so
Okay.
can you sing a song which makes people feel sexy or look sexy?
Okay. Some song which can make people sexy. What song? Give me some idea.
Your
Try
voice, whatever you
give me
sing,
some
sounds
idea
really
maybe.
sexy. So you can pick a song which makes others think that they are also sexy.
Okay. Mm, let me think about some song. I'm just thinking.
Okay.
हे मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना आता है मुझको प्यार में डर जाना मुश्किल है प्यार तेरा बच के जाना ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार का परवाना I think this song is
Oh, I
actually
literally wanted to stand up and dance with me being in sari. It will be really weird. That's why I'm not doing that. I wanted to
you
do
can
this.
still do
Pyar
that.
ka deewana. Wow, fantastic. And it really put me in a very, very beautiful, fun mode and really made me feel sexy.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
Okay, so we are having an interesting conversation with Chavi Kalra, who's a singer, who is a creative artist, and she's also an influencer on her own. So speaking to Chavi, and Chavi, what is music according to you?
Music, according to me, as I said, it's a meditation for me. And I mean, it gets into your mood. So even when you are, whatever mood you are into, it gives you so much of relaxation. It makes you
Okay,
cheerful. And time will just fly off. For me, it happens like that because when
okay,
I'm listening to the music, I don't need anything else around. I'm just happy in
okay.
my own way.
So, now speaking of the interesting questions which I was asking earlier, so you again,
Hmm.
since I'm asking again and again, what is music to you? So, which actor is something like which is the actor you would like to date? So this is something which I have a question from one of the audience. So they are asking this question: which actor does
Oh my
Chavi
goodness.
likes to date?
Okay. Frankly speaking, when people ask me, I'm a fan of this actor or this actress, nothing comes to my mind. But Okay, because you're asking, so maybe Hrithik Roshan, because I really like his personality.
Okay, you like his moves,
He's
is
one
it?
person whom I always like, I mean, he's really
Okay.
good.
Mm,
Whether you talk about his looks or his
mm,
personality, his
okay.
hair, his eyes are really fascinating, really attractive,
Okay. So Hrithik Roshan. So that is for
and
somebody
his
of not.
dancing and all.
Yeah. So
He
he
has
like
this
he is.
class when he's dancing,
Yeah.
right? I love his
Mm.
dancing.
Yeah, yeah. His really when he starts dancing, that's it. Everybody goes gaga over him, and nobody can stop them from
Yes,
not looking at someone else and just they should be like, okay, there's Hrithik,
very
let's just
true.
start looking at him.
Yes,
All
he
right.
danced very elegantly, which I really like about him.
Yes, yes, really, really good. So, Chavi, somebody's down south. So, yeah, I want some Tamil hero whom you would like to date, who's somebody who is current, and who would you like to date? Some Tamil hero.
Sometimes, give me two, three names so I can choose one.
With who?
Give me two, three names so I can choose one.
Okay, I'll give you Rajinikanth,
Yeah,
Kamal Hassan, Vijay, Ajit, Simbu,
Ajit.
Danush, Ajit.
Ajit.
Okay, why Ajit?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, his days, movies, and all I used to watch, and I think I've seen him in person as well. So he's a very good person.
Okay,
He
okay.
carried that personality. So
So, have you
the
watched
other
any?
actors I've not seen, so I have no idea. I mean,
Okay,
I
you've
don't
seen
watch
Ajit and you
Tamil
liked
movies
his
much, but yeah,
personality. Mm.
yes, yes. But there are so many other actors as well. Maybe I'm
Mm.
not aware of, and maybe I don't know much. So
Okay, okay. So since okay, I'll give you that point. I'll just leave that point there. And so now speaking of Ajit, have you watched any Ajit movies? And can you sing some song from his movies?
no, I mean because that was the only song I tried for the first time, in Tamil.
Okay, so we've been talking a lot. So now can you sing us a pop song?
What song?
Yes, pop
Okay.
genre.
Tell me, give me some song because
You can pick someone from you can either pick Katy Perry. She sings a lot of pop songs. You can pick anybody from abroad whom you like. Some pop artists.
okay, let me.
Bruno Mars
This is
is
one
there.
song which I don't know. I'm not too much into pop songs, but there is one
Okay.
song which I always like.
Okay,
Um,
sing. Okay, which was something which you are always listen in your playlist and something which you've been listening of late. Can you sing that song for us?
I'll just sing few lines.
Okay.
When I am down, I know my soul so weary. When troubles come and my heart burdens me, then I am still, whispering silence until you come and speak the word within. You lead me up the mountain. You lead me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulder. You lead me up to more than I can be. There is no life, no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so impossibly. But when you come and I'm filled with wonder, sometimes I feel I can eternity. You raise me up so I can the mountain. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when
such a divine song, Chavi. Seriously,
Yes,
I
yes.
guess you are literally reading my mind, because when I'm down, I really go and listen to this song, especially, and it really gives me
Really?
such energy. Yeah, seriously. So we
Oh,
used to
I'm
sing
so
this song in
glad.
our church. I'm part of my church choir, so I'm not a big singer
Yeah,
though.
okay.
So we
But
used to
that's so
sing.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it's a beautiful song. I love the lyrics of this song.
yeah, the lyrics speaks a lot. It gives you so much of
Yes.
energy, so much of enthusiasm. It keeps you going. And when you're really down, when you're really depressed and broken, this song literally gives you that energy and it keeps you going.
True, true, very true.
Yeah.
But
So
when you, yes, yes, you think, yes, yes, please say.
yes. So your opinion about this song? How did you get to know about this song, and how does this song ring for you?
Actually, when I was learning from my guru, so he used to teach me all different kind of songs, you know. So he always wanted me to start with something. In every language, he used to make me sing something. So from there, once I picked up this song, and it always touches my heart. So whenever I'm, in my own mood, I'll just keep on singing this song. For me, song is something not just like singing. For me, song is when I feel something, so I'll sing that particular song.
Okay. So now you feel like soaring high, I guess.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to say, I mean, this is a very nice, peppy number. Though I don't
Hmm.
have a music right now, but I
Okay.
sang in one of my albums.
Okay. Yes. So this is the last request.
चार चराग तेरे बस हमेशा चार चराग तेरे बदन हमेशा पंग वंग मांगण आई झुलनार ओ पंग वंग मांगण पंग वंग मांगण आई झुलनार Calendar, Damatam must calendar, Ali dum dum dum, oh, Damatam must calendar, Ali Batala number,
Oh, दमादम मस्त कलंदर.
yeah,
इतना
because
मस्त है.
if the music is there, then the song has its own spirit, and
Yes,
you love to
yes.
dance on the song.
Yes, Chavi. So we didn't realize that we've been having such an interesting conversation with you singing, and that's been half an hour already. And
Really? Okay.
yeah, so we've been
I'm
singing and
glad.
listening to songs of you, and it's been really delight having you. So there is still a request for one Tamil song if you can sing. So there's an audience who has asked for one Tamil song.
I don't.
So
I
a few
don't.
words, because people are really wanting. So could Chavi sing one song for us in Tamil?
I would love to, but the thing is, I'm not too much into Tamil song. But yes, now I'm start. I mean, I've started now. So this was the
Okay.
first experiment which I did today. Because I didn't know whether everybody will like it. So I thought, okay, just let me give a try.
No, it doesn't. See, it's your voice and your emotions. So when you
Yes,
feel and sing, that's what matters, because it's the lyrics which you can just read it, but the thing is the emotion comes from within, and you having such a beautiful
right.
voice, and you being so
Thank
you
you.
being yeah. So it'll really sound like you can give your try, Chavi. It'll really be fun for us to listen to at least a
I'll
few
do
words.
that.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay, the song.
yeah.
Which song? I mean, I have. Which
Mm,
song is it?
which song? You did sing us Munbe War song. Then you can sing one more
Yes.
song for us.
Seriously, I don't know. If I would
Okay,
know, I would have actually
let me
I'm
not
really
put too much
sorry.
pressure on you.
No, but now I got to know that okay, I can sing. So okay, next time when I
yeah,
come and I'll come
yes.
more with Tamil numbers for sure.
Okay. So one last song for us, Chavi. So one last song. So something
Okay.
from your album. Yes, from your own album. You can sing us one last song.
Okay. From album you want, or you want something which before leaving? This is a very nice number.
Yes, please, please do.
My album. Okay, let me, because this will actually suit, very well for the situation right now.
Okay.
अभी अभी तो आए हो बहार बन के छाए हो हवा जरा महक तो ले नजर जरा बहक तो ले ये शाम भर तो सदा ये शाम भर तो जरा ये दिल संभल तो जरा मैं थोड़ी देर भी चलूं नशे से घूट पी चलूं नशे से घूट पी चलूं अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं बुरा ना मानो बात का ये प्यार है गिला नहीं अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर इधर अभी भरा नहीं 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 अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर इधर अभी भरा नहीं. This song is like, I don't want you to leave right now.
Yes. So there is also, people also do not want you to leave. So there's a continuous request for Gulabiya song. So Gulabi Aki. So that is a song, and people are like, no, Chavi, please don't go. Please sing that song alone for us.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों संभलना मुश्किल हो गया.
Okay, so that was like just like a glimpse. Okay, so now the audience will be satisfied. Okay, so Chavi did sing for you. Your request has been granted by Chavi. So thank you so much, Chavi, and it was a wonderful conversation and spectacular music of yours, and it was really fun for me to have an interesting conversation with you over Zoom. And I really want to listen to a lot more of your songs. And so for those of them who are here, so Chavi is once again, she's a singer, she's a creative artist, and you can follow her on Instagram, and you can follow her latest album. So Chavi, you can talk more about that.
Yes, I mean, I keep writing my blog, so if you want to follow me, even I have my page, Aptitude, Chavi Kalra. So there, all my work is there, whether it's about my piano videos, whether it's about my singing, or it's about my blogs, all inspirational blogs I write. So you can go and just have a look. And you can connect me anytime. And there's one more thing, I do a lot of Reiki healings and all that. So like people, like this week on Monday, I gave one session about Reiki healing. So a lot of people were coming. So whenever I just tell them, like, if they want to connect with me, just send a message. And then if something really particular, I'll definitely reply back.
Okay. So you do respond to messages when it is really particular. So those of them who are listening to Chavi, Chavi does reply. So she once you are really, if you feel really need her help, she would definitely she would reply to your messages. And interesting conversation, amazing music, and very soothing messages which you've been providing. And I can really feel the emotions which you have been connecting with me through your songs. So thank you so much, Chavi, and thank you so much for giving your time to Top Road Talks. It was really a wonderful conversation with you here. And on behalf of Top Road team, I'm really glad and thank you so much for being here and giving your wonderful music to us.
Thank you so much. It was really pleasure being here and connecting with everyone. I'm really, really glad. It was a wonderful evening, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
bless
Thank you
all.
so much, Shavi. Thank you so much. And guys, please, thank you all for joining. And please don't forget to subscribe to Top Road Talks and please click on the bell button so that when we release our very first video or next video, you will be you will be updated about it. And we have continuous live happening with a lot more artists. And stay tuned for more people coming on board. And we are here to entertain you to the maximum. Thank you so much.
For the artist, by the artist.
And once again, for the artist, by the artist, YouTube Live by Disha Caroline. Bye bye. Stay tuned.
Thank you so much.